So here we have this interesting puzzle with us. This is not a question exactly. This is a kind of puzzle. Make 120 using 5 zeros. Make 120 using 5 zeros means we can use any mathematical operation that we want. Mathematical operation like plus, minus, multiply. There are so many mathematical operations. We can use them. Okay, even trigonometry is possible. We can use trigonometry as well. Now we can use any mathematical operation to make 120 using 5 zeros. There are many ways to solve this question, solve this puzzle. I'm sharing my way. You can share your way in the comments box. So according to my method, I used 5 zeros, something like this: 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. And I added a factorial to them. Right? And after adding all these 0 factorials 5 times, I added a factorial outside the bracket. Now, I hope you know that 0 factorial is 1, correct? So 0 factorial is 1, this will become 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 factorial, which will at the end give us 5 factorial. And I hope you know what is 5 factorial. 5 factorial is 120. Correct. So this is my method using which I created 120 using 5 zeros. As I told you, there are many methods. You can share your method in the comments box.